Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out of Highlands Casino today. Going to be playing Lucky Ducky VGT. This is the Jewel Hunt. We got 402 loaded in. We're going to start off on $6 bets. It's a $2 denomination. We need one more jewel to complete the top row. Come on, Ducky, be good for us. Being awful quiet right now. We're gonna play this down to 3. If we don't get a hit, guys, we're gonna get off of it. We didn't even have one hit yet. There's our jewel. We got the last one. Yes. I hope it's a good one. $105. We got a match 2. $120. That's $240, guys. We're on a $2 denomination. Awesome. It's going to put us up to $5.76 on that ticket. We're going to do a few backups and run with our money. Last bet. And I just got a hot seat. Awesome. $160 hot seat. Thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. I'll see you soon.